Natural light has the power to transform a home, making it feel more open, welcoming, and comfortable. For homeowners in Rockford, where seasonal changes can affect how much daylight enters your space, maximizing natural light becomes even more important. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by installing picture windows. Known for their large, unobstructed glass design, picture windows enhance both natural light and the perception of space, creating a brighter and more inviting home environment. One of the most noticeable benefits of picture windows is the amount of natural light they bring indoors. Unlike traditional windows that may have multiple panes or frames dividing the view, picture windows feature a single large pane of glass. This allows sunlight to flow freely into your home, brightening rooms throughout the day. In Rockford homes, especially during shorter daylight months, this added light can make a significant difference in how your space feels. Increased natural light doesn't just improve visibility, it also enhances the overall atmosphere of your home. Bright, sunlit spaces tend to feel more positive and inviting, making everyday activities more enjoyable. Whether you're relaxing in your living room or spending time with family, natural light creates a warm and welcoming environment that artificial lighting simply can't replicate. Picture windows also play a key role in making rooms feel larger. Their expansive glass surface creates a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors, giving the illusion of more space. By visually extending your living area beyond the walls of your home, picture windows make even smaller rooms feel more open and less confined. This is particularly valuable in Rockford residences where maximizing interior space is a priority. Another advantage is the way picture windows frame outdoor views. Whether your home overlooks a backyard, garden, or scenic surroundings, these windows turn your view into a focal point. Instead of being limited by smaller window openings, you can enjoy a wide, uninterrupted perspective that enhances both your interior design and your connection to the outdoors. In addition to aesthetics, picture windows contribute to energy efficiency. Modern designs often include advanced glass technologies such as double or triple pane construction and low-E coatings. These features help regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat transfer. During colder months in Rockford, this helps keep warm air inside, while in warmer seasons, it helps block excess heat. As a result, your home stays more comfortable year-round without putting extra strain on your heating and cooling systems. Another benefit is reduced reliance on artificial lighting. With more natural light entering your home, you won't need to use indoor lighting as frequently during the day. This not only lowers energy consumption but also creates a more natural and pleasant living environment. Over time, these energy savings can add up, making picture windows a practical as well as aesthetic investment. Picture windows are also low maintenance. Because they don't open or close, they have fewer moving parts compared to other window styles. This reduces the likelihood of wear and tear and makes them easier to care for. A simple cleaning routine is usually enough to keep them looking clear and beautiful. While picture windows do not provide ventilation on their own, they can be paired with other operable window styles to create a balanced solution. This combination allows you to enjoy both natural light and fresh air, giving you the best of both worlds. Durability is another important factor. Modern picture windows are built with strong materials that can withstand changing weather conditions. In Rockford, where homes experience a range of seasonal temperatures, having durable windows ensures long-term performance and reliability. Finally, picture windows add to your home's overall value. Their ability to enhance light, space, and visual appeal makes them an attractive feature for potential buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell, the improved comfort and aesthetics they provide are valuable benefits you can enjoy every day. In the end, picture windows offer a simple yet powerful way to enhance natural light and create a greater sense of space in Rockford residences. By bringing in more sunlight, opening up your interior, and improving overall comfort, they transform how your home looks and feels, making it a brighter, more enjoyable place to live.